So coming to the next problem, that is problem on offset from long chord, and the derivation is already given to you people, so it is already explained in the 10th video. So on that there are some two problems. I'll give the single problem, I'll explain this. The second problem I'll share in the group. You people need to solve and upload it within tomorrow. So everyone need to write that assignment, not as an assignment, that in your notes, that problem. Okay, it is important also. So calculate the ordinate at 10 meter distance for a circular curve having a long chord of 80 meter and worst sine of 4 meter. So here they have given that calculate the ordinate at 10 meter distance. So whatever the ordinate distance they have given, it is the interval, that is for 10 meters, for 10 meters 1 ordinate is placed. So this distance O at the base 0 to OX1, that distance is known as ordinate distance, and that is the 10 meter interval it is set. So here ordinate distance it is taken as 10 meter interval. Next, having a long chord of 80 meter, that is length of the long chord is 80 meter. So L is taken as 80 meter and the worst sine of 4 meter. So here worst sine is taken as, that is middle ordinate, that is ordinate at 0 distance. So O naught, that is O at the base 0, that is taken as 4 meter. So from the formula we have that for the middle ordinate, this ordinate, you have the formula, that is O at the base 0 is equal to R minus square root of R square minus L by 2 the whole square. So this is taken as a equation 1. Then so the value of L and O naught we know. So by substituting this you are going to find out the value of R, that is O naught is 4, that is worst sine, and where R you don't have the value, L is length of the longest chord, that is 80 meter. So that you are going to substitute, and finally after substituting you need to square on both the sides, both on LHS and RHS you need to do the square. When you do the square, this square root cancel with the root and you will get like this. So arrange that. So finally after arranging you will get the R value as R is equal to 1616 divided by 8. You will get finally the value of R as 202 meter. So since you here from the middle only half of the distance that we are going to find out, and also for the half of the distance we are going to consider, because this concept I have already explained. So on the right side we are going to find out, that is the same thing on the left on the left side of the middle ordinate you are going to find out. And since this is equal, that is both the sides it is equal, so this side the values whatever you get, the same thing you will get on this side also. So the half length is considered and we are going to find out the value of the ordinates, because the question is you need to calculate the ordinate at 10 meter distance for a circular curve. So finally till we according to the interval we are going to find out the number of ordinates, or we are going to decide number of ordinates. Since half of the length is considered, L is taken as equal to 40 meter. Okay, so that length divided by the interval, when you do, you will get 4 numbers. That is nothing but OX is equal to 10, OX is equal to 20, OX is equal to 30, OX is equal to 40. So this is what I have written this side. So initially you start the diagram like this, that is one line with the middle ordinates, because O naught will be given. After getting here the half of the length divided by internals, you got here 4 numbers, right? So here it will come 4, OX1, OX2, OX3. Okay, OX4, that is the last point where it should come as the last point as 0.10, nearly equal to 0 only it should come, then only it forms a curve, or else it will not join this point. So nearly the last point will come as 0. So the OX4 is not, the line is not drawn directly, OX4 is written. Okay, so and in order to find out the ordinate at the different distances, you have another formula, that is OX is equal to r square minus square root of r square minus x square minus r minus O naught. So substitute all the values, that is r value, x value at different distances. X value is 10, 20, 30, 40. All the values you need to find out, that is O at x is equal to 10, O at x is equal to 20, O at x is equal to 30, O at x is equal to 40. All the values you need to substitute and get the answer. Finally, this table is very important. You need to draw this. X is nothing but the intervals that they have given in the questions. For 10 meter interval, you need to get the ordinate distances, that is OX. So that is only finally you need to write, make the tabular column and write the values. Okay, the second question I will provide as a I will forward it to the group. You people just see this procedure and solve and upload in the group. Okay.